Cable management is an important aspect of maintaining the proper functioning of servers and imported and computer equipment. When cables are not properly managed, it can lead to a number of issues, including poor performance, increased downtime, and even equipment failure. Proper cable management can also improve the overall aesthetic of the server, and it make it easier to troubleshoot any issues that may arise. On Saturday, December 17, 2022, we began our cable management volunteer service by proposing it to the authority at Surau Cincin server room. As we walked into the server room, we could see that the cables were in a state of disarray. Cables were tangled, unlabeled, and running haphazardly throughout the room. We found that there was a significant amount of dust accumulated on the servers, which would potentially block the airflow and the cooling system. We knew that this was going to be a big job, but we were determined to make the server room neat and organized. We spent the first day assessing the needs of the server room, taking inventories of all the cables and equipment, and making a list of tools and materials that would be needed to complete the best organization and routing the cables. On Friday, 23 December, 4 of us has returned to Surau Cincin and arrived at 2:30 PM to get right to work. Our first task was to group the cables together and type and label them with label stickers. This way, they could easily identify and allocate the cables. We made sure to use appropriate size cable ties to ensure a secure fit without damaging the cables. Next, we took care of the route of the cables in a way that would not block the airflow to the equipment. This was very important to keep the equipment cool and running efficiently. We also focused on keeping the cables as short as possible to reduce clutter and minimize the risk of damage. As we progressed, we discovered that the CCTV connection has failed. We quickly troubleshoot the problem and found that the cables connecting to the camera to the DVR was faulty. We replaced the cable and were able to restore the CCTV connection. We also noticed that the wireless microphone battery were low, so we replaced them with new rechargeable batteries. Finally, after 5 hours of hard work on completing the cable management service, the server room was now neat and organized. The cables were properly labeled and protected. The staff of Surau Cincin were very happy with our work and they thanked us for the service. It was a challenging but rewarding experience for us, and we were proud to have been able to help make a positive difference in the community.
Tadi memang experience yang paling terbaik lah. Memang korang dapat siapkan kabel management ni memang daripada awal. Kalau tengok gambar memang kotor, debu, memang tak boleh dimasuk akal lah. Sekarang bila tengok, dia memang cantik. Korang memang kabel tie apa semua guys. Memang semua berjalan lancar. Dan sekarang ni korang on the way balik. So, transition. Suka hati.